Madam Speaker, I move to allow Secretary General Cheloy Velicaria Garafil to take her oath.
Is there an objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. May we request Secretary General Cheloy Velicaria Garafil to proceed to the rostrum for her oath taking. And may we request all the members of the House of Representatives and all our guests in the gallery to please rise to witness the oath taking of our Secretary General. To be administered by the Speaker of the House, Honorable Boji D.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, your name,
Cheloy Velicaria Garafil,
of Quezon City, Metro Manila,
Quezon City, Metro Manila,
having been elected as
Secretary General of the House of Representatives,
hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge
that I will well and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines. I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. And that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.